Good morning, students of class 3. Today we will start the next chapter in your English literature book, that is A Wonderful Gift. So everyone open your book to A Wonderful Gift and let us see what is in store for us in this chapter. A Wonderful Gift, class 3. Today is the second. Everyone open your books to this chapter. Okay. A Wonderful Gift is written by James Baldwin. James Baldwin was a famous American teacher and writer. He wrote stories and books. He also wrote many school textbooks. So James Baldwin was a famous American teacher and writer. He wrote many stories and also wrote some books. And he also wrote many school textbooks. Okay. So let us come to the lesson, A Wonderful Gift. Adapted from 50 Famous People by James Baldwin. A long time ago, there lived in America a little boy named Benjamin West. Benjamin loved pictures, but he had never seen any pictures except a few small ones in a book. His father and mother did not think it was right to spend money for such things. They thought the pictures might take his mind away from more useful things. One day, Benjamin's mother had to go out. She told Benjamin to stay in the house and take care of his baby sister until she came back. So, long time ago in America a little boy lived. What was that little boy's name? His name was Benjamin West. Okay. And Benjamin loved pictures. He loved different kinds of pictures. But he had never seen any pictures except a few small ones in his books. But he had never seen anything except few small ones in his book. His father and mother did not think it was right to spend money for such things. Okay. So his father and mother did not encourage such things. They thought it was not right to spend money on these things. They thought the pictures might make his mind away from more useful things. So they thought that the pictures might take his mind away from the more useful things. Okay. So one day Benjamin's mother had to go out. So she told him to stay at home and take care of his baby sister until she came back. Now let us see what happens next. He was glad to do this because he loved the baby. So he was very glad to take care of his baby sister because he loved her like anything. She was asleep in her crib for a while. She sat very still. He did not want to make any noise and wake her. So she was asleep in a crib. Crib is like this bed that is for small babies. Okay, so she was sleeping in that. For a while, he sat over there very still meaning without any movement. He sat still. He did not want to make any noise or wake her. So he was a very considerate brother. He sat absolutely still. He did not want to make any noise or he will wake up his sister. He could hear the clock ticking. It was so quiet that he could hear the clock going, tick, 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 the clock ticking. It was so quiet that he could hear the clock ticking. He heard the birds singing. Outside he could hear the birds were singing. The birds were making sounds. Soon he began to feel a little lonely. Now there was no one in the house. He was all alone. His baby sister was also sleeping. So he began to feel a little lonely. A fly sat on the baby's cheek and he brushed it away. Then he thought what a pretty picture he could make of his sister's lovely face and her little hands. So a fly sat on the baby's cheeks and he did like this and he shooed it away. He brushed it away. Then he thought such a pretty picture he could make of his baby sister. His baby sister is looking so cute, so lovely. Her face is looking, her little hands. He wanted that he could make such a pretty picture of this baby sister of his. Okay. So this is all for today, students. Now let us go to the word meanings for today. Some difficult word meanings are given to you. You will write them in your English literature copy. You will learn the word meanings well. Except meaning other than. Take his mind away from meaning make him forget about. Very still meaning without moving. So I hope this is clear to you. Okay students, thank you. I hope the lesson so far is clear to you. Please read the lesson nicely at home. What I have taught you today. Learn the word meanings nicely. Write it in your English literature copy. We will continue the lesson in the next class. Thank you students and God bless you.